The Motion Manager is the main interface we will be using when creating SolidWorks animations. So let's take a look at how we can turn on or activate this Motion Manager. The first thing I might want to do is just take a look in the bottom left corner down here where I can see a few tabs. So see here I have a Model tab and a 3D Views tab. Beside this, you might see another tab called Motion Study or Motion Study 1. If you do see that, that would be your Motion Manager. If you're not seeing that, however, I just need to turn this on or activate it. So I can do that by navigating up to my View dropdown. And then take a look into my toolbars. And I have a number of toolbars here that I can turn on or off, but I want to take a look for Motion Manager here. And I can just click to activate or turn on my Motion Manager. And now again, look to the bottom left and I can see my new tab coming in here called Motion Study 1. I can click on that tab and I'll just see this Motion Manager pop up on the bottom of my screen here. And we'll be learning a lot about this Motion Manager as this is the main interface we'll be using to generate our animations.